Elango.
Kung hopra lang la la la.
Elango.
Kung hopra lang la.
Welcome to the absolute first crayfish party at IKEA Pasay City.
Unique ha? Ngayon lang ako nakatim nito. Sarap. Malinamnam, malasa, masabaw.
It's nice that we get to know different cultures through food. We prepared crayfish, of course, several salads, potato salad, cucumber salad, and a cheese quiche.
I can say that it's as close as you can possibly get to a Swedish crayfish party buffet.
Super grateful kami with IKEA na may mga ganito na we can experience tradition din nila dito sa Philippines.
And masishare din namin to sa ibang mga Pinoy, di ba?
As a co-worker here, I'm very grateful kasi dinala dito yung food na hindi namin matatry basta-basta. Very well prepared and fresh siya. Maraming sauce na available, so perfect.
Napagandang experience na nakakita ko ng ganitong ano. Dati sa TV ko na ito napapanood eh.
It's about all of the different things around the crayfish that makes it so fun and exciting.
Everybody is sitting together, we have a party together, we are talking, we look a bit strange. Mega.
Halina kayo, join na! Ano pang nantay nyo? Dito na kayo sa Swedish Restaurant.